Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make watermark in DaVinci. So simply click on to effect and go to effect option, then showing a tool and select adjustment clip. Just drag to add this. Okay, and scroll down, then showing it to watermark, just drag to select. Okay, so look here, showing it to my watermark. If you want to rename watermark, like okay, increase or decrease size, or if you want to add image watermark, so simply import logo. Okay, I'm import PNG logo and I'm just drag this logo in here and right mark. Now add my logo watermark. So if you want to increase saturation, logo size, increase or decrease, so logo moving, and showing you to more settings, you just easily adjust your logo. So that's it, that's how you can do it.